Classification of criminal courts. Under section 6 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898, Supreme Court and court established under a special law, there shall be two classes of criminal courts. As per section 6, except Supreme Court and courts established under a special law, there shall be two classes of criminal courts, and one is the Court of Session and another is Court of Magistrate. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about the session courts only, and the next video I will discuss about the Court of Magistrate. As per provision of section 9 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898 in Bangladesh, there are three types of Court of Session: Court of Session Judge, Court of Additional Session Judge, and Court of Joint Session Judge. And in Bangladesh, each district consists of a session division, but having a few exceptions. In Bangladesh, there are few districts where metropolitan city is located. In that district, there are two session divisions. For example, Dhaka is a city corporation. That is why in Dhaka district, in Dhaka city corporation area, as it is a metropolitan area, there is a separate session division, and district has a separate session division. That is, there are two session divisions. To each and every session metropolitan area, there is a separate session division other than the district area. That is why a few districts having two session division. In metropolitan area, there are three types of session court, namely the Court of Metro Session Judge, Court of Additional Session Judge, and Court of Joint Metro Session Judge. In district area, the same court is called as the Court of Session Judge, Court of Additional Session Judge, and Court of District Joint Session Judge. The district session judge and metro session judge are same rank, having an status and power and function. And a session judge, whether he be a metro session judge or district session judge, they are appointed from and among the members and Bangladesh Judicial Service, whose rank and position as a district judge, and having judicial power of sentencing any punishment. And in the same way, the additional session judge, whenever acts as a judge in the district level, is called additional session judge, but whenever he acts in a metropolitan area, it would be treated as additional metro session judge. Both the judges in two areas having same judicial power and function. In the same way, if a joint district judge acts in district level, is considered as joint session judge, but whenever he acts in the metropolitan area, is called at joint metro session judge, having the same judicial power. Now, I am giving you a picture. The metro session judge and district session judge in Bangladesh judiciary, both are appointed from the members of judicial service, and they are under section 31 of the Code of Criminal Procedures. They can award any punishment recognized by law, but if they sentence of death penalty, in that case it need to be confirmed by the High Court division. And in the same way, the additional metro session judge and additional district session judge, they have the same judicial power, unlike the metro session judge or district session judge. But the joint session judge, whether he be act as a metro session judge or a joint session judge, they shall have the power to pass a sentence not exceeding 10 years. Not exceeding 10 years. This is the power and function of a session judge in Bangladesh. Thank you for watching this video. You know, we are conducting bar professional training course. If you are a Bangladeshi citizen and wants to be a efficient lawyer within shortest possible time, you can communicate with us over the WhatsApp number given in the description below. Thank you again for watching this video on behalf of the Badullah Academy.